So we have posted some videos on the development of the new syllabus, and we have got a couple of questions from you guys asking various questions about the commencement of the syllabus, the scope of the examination, various things, and really whether you can use your previous books or you have to buy some new books. And so we are going to be addressing some of these questions in this video to help you to make the best decision so that you can really put yourself in the position to prepare well for the examination and most importantly pass the exam. So the first question I have here is, Nhyira, when is the new syllabus starting? Now you have to understand that the first examination under the new syllabus is going to be November 2024. So as a matter of fact, tuition is actually commencing from 5th of August 2024 for the November 2024 examination. And so you can register on our website or in the Nhyira Premium mobile application to start studying from now before our live lectures to be able to prepare for the examination. So November 2024 will be the first examination date for the new syllabus, which is going to be running from 2024 to 2029. So when is the new syllabus starting? It has started already, if I can say that, and the first examination is going to be in November 2024. Another question that I have here is, Nhyira, what is really changing in the new syllabus? Now, there are a couple of things that I would want to share with you here when it comes to what is really changing under the new syllabus. The first thing is that some subjects are getting significant boost or significant changes when it comes to the way it was in the previous syllabus as compared to the current syllabus. Another thing that you need to understand is the introduction of computer-based examination, which will be commencing from 2025. Now, the goal of the ICAG is to gradually phase itself into computer-based examination, and this will be starting from level 1 and will be phased out through the levels up to the level 3 at some time in the future. The reason is because IT technology has become crucial, and so it is important this is integrated throughout everything that the ICAG is doing. And it is for this reason why our tuition center, as a forward-looking, innovative tuition provider, we've already integrated an industry-leading computer-based examination platform right on our study portal. What it means is that now you enroll, you study under my mentorship, you join our community, join our live lectures, get access to the recorded videos and everything, but also you will be able to get access to an industry-leading computer-based examination platform where you can practice your skills. So we have questions that are multiple choice questions as well as written questions where you're going to be typing your response into the system, and later on that is going to be obtained, marked, and then uploaded for you to see what you did and what you're supposed to do. So really, this is something that is coming in from 2025, but we have already integrated this into our system because that is what we need to understand. And the goal of the ICAG as well is to ensure that students are not just equipped with the knowledge of how things are supposed to be, how financial statements are supposed to be prepared, how various decisions are to be made, but also to be equipped with how they can interact with data, they can interact with computer and use some basic functionalities to enable them to present their responses in a manner that will be acceptable. Another thing that you must understand also is that almost every subject is going to be having something about public sector, technology, sustainability, and professional skepticism. Now, one thing you must understand is that these are the themes of the new syllabus. And so under each subject, there will be something about technology. There will be something about public sector. There will be something about sustainability. There will be something about professional skepticism, because these are critical issues that we have to understand. Then the fourth thing that you need to understand is the expansion of discussion to other industries. Now, previously, focus had been on really manufacturing companies, and also when it comes to the level 3 in advanced taxation, concentration had been on, aside the manufacturing companies, we are looking at petroleum and minerals. But then now there are issues in respect of insurance companies, companies operating in the financial sector, that is banking institutions as well. And so there is a little expansion from the traditional financial issues in respect of manufacturing companies to banking to insurance and other industries to help students to know how they can apply what they are learning across all industries. And so that is also something that you need to understand. So what is really changing? Yes, some subjects are getting significant changes, and we are also seeing the 5 themes spreading across the entire subject in the syllabus. We are seeing that the ICAG is now going to be introducing computer-based examination from 2025, and this will phase out from level 1 up to the final level. And most importantly, we are seeing an expansion of industry from the traditional manufacturing industry to other industries to help students to really apply what they are learning across all of the key sectors, or if you want, industries in the economy here in Ghana. The next question I have here is, Nhyira, can I rely on my previous notes or use my previous books, or I need to get a new one? Now, it depends on the subject that you are writing generally for me to be able to answer this. But what I want to do is to let you understand each subject, what is really coming new and what you have to pay attention to. So if we take a subject like public sector accounting and finance, topics like public-private partnership arrangement and public procurement, which is typically the question 4, is no longer in the syllabus. These have been removed, taken to financial management. And so public-private partnership and public procurement no longer in the syllabus. And so what then we may see, and we will receive a mock trial from the ICAG later on to let us understand the structure of the questions coming in the exam hall. But what we are going to be seeing is that, yes, question 1 may still have our general purpose conceptual framework issues, measurement basis, qualitative characteristics of financial statements, and those things. Question 2 will still have preparation of financial statements for covered entities, the central government, and all that. Question 3 will still have evaluation of financial statements and assessment of the public financial management system of the government using the PFA framework, that is the public expenditure and financial accountability framework. So that is also there. Now, the question 4, which was previously the public-private partnership arrangement and public procurement, are no longer there. Hence, the examiner may replace that with the IPSAs, because now you are going to be having dedicated questions on the international public sector accounting standards in the exam hall. So yes, the question 4 may be 20-mark question relating to some of the IPSAS issues. And so that is why now in public sector, the IPSAs are going to be very crucial, and you have to understand them just like how you need to understand the accounting standards in financial reporting. Then our question 5 may still have the no man's land area, where other issues in the syllabus like budgeting, like issues in respect of the role of key public officers, the regulatory framework of public sector organizations, and various other issues in the syllabus. So really, public sector, the significant boost that is coming here is going to be the IPSAs that we are going to be seeing in the exam hall, 20-mark question on the IPSAs, and also the elimination of public-private partnership arrangements and public procurement. And so if you're writing public sector accounting and finance, then this is what you need to know about in respect of the changes coming in. And so based on this, can you rely on your previous books or previous notes or previous understanding to still walk into the exam hall and write the exam to pass? Not really. You will be like 70%-ish complete, because now you need to understand the IPSAs very well and how they connect to the preparation of the financial statement. And so you'll be 70%-ish okay, but that 30% add-on, you will need it, and that may be crucial for you to be able to really pass the public sector accounting and finance examination. So this is what you must understand about public sector and the change that is coming in when it comes to public sector accounting and finance. The next thing is going to be financial management. Financial management is still the way it is. You're going to have additional materials coming in. And so the topics that were eliminated from public sector accounting and finance, most of them have found themselves in the financial management. So you're still going to have your working capital management, risk management issues, investment appraisal. You're going to have sources of finance, cost of capital. All of these things are still going to be in the exam hall, are still in the syllabus when it comes to financial management. But in addition to these, you are going to be seeing PIFA coming in here. You're going to be seeing public procurement also in financial management. You're going to see public-private partnership arrangement also in financial management. And this is under financing decisions, because as I said earlier, the objective of this syllabus is to really integrate public sector in every aspect of the syllabus. So almost every subject is going to be having something relating to public sector and how you are supposed to deal with it. So for financial management, everything you know already, or every understanding that probably you have previously in respect of management accounting, is still valid. They are all there. But there is an additional material in respect of public sector when it comes to PIFA, when it comes to public procurement, and then public-private partnership arrangements. This is what you must understand in respect of financial management. The next subject is financial reporting. Now, largely, financial reporting is still the way you know it to be. Yes, consolidation is there, question 1. Yes, question 2, we're going to have a dedicated question on the accounting standards. So all the accounting standards pretty relevant. Question 3, single entity financial statement, preparation of the profit or loss, statement of changes in equity, statement of financial position. Yes, the cash flow statement is there, and then the preparation of a simple value added statement. So all of these are still relevant in the financial reporting syllabus. Then you come to the issues about ethics, issues in respect of evaluation of financial statements, calculating various ratios and interpreting the ratios. All of these still available in the financial reporting syllabus. Just a few things that you need to understand will be sustainability issues, because it's a key theme in the syllabus. So some sustainability issues introduced, and then also Ghana's corporate governance code and the provisions in the Companies Act 2019 relating to governance. So these are just some theory areas that have been added, but largely is going to be the same. So these are just some theories added or written issues added in the financial reporting syllabus that you need to be aware of. But everything else that you know about financial reporting, that you have heard about financial reporting, is still in the syllabus the way it is supposed to be. So the next thing is management accounting. Now, management accounting is one of the subjects that is seen give and take a significant change, because a key topic which was in the previous syllabus, investment appraisal, is no longer in management accounting under the new syllabus. And so now we don't have investment appraisal in management accounting, but the other things are still there. So you're going to be having your issues about short-term decisions, make or buy, shutdown, relevant costing, break-even analysis, budgeting and budgetary control, issues in respect of variance analysis, performance measurement, question 1 issues, divisionalization, transfer pricing. All of those things are still available in the syllabus, but there is an introduction of a 15% area, which is the role of the management accountant in the public sector. And so we are going to be looking at how management accountants appraise projects in the public sector and the roles of the management accountants in the public sector. And that is 15% as per the syllabus weighing. All other issues are the same. So there is no investment appraisal, but there is an introduction of the role of the management accountant in the public sector. The next thing is principles of taxation. Principles of taxation is also going to be the same. Now, this subject is a subject that most people are exempted from, because largely many people are coming in with their first degree, and so they are exempted from audit and assurance and principles of taxation. But if you are going to be writing the principles of taxation examination under the new syllabus, it's largely the same issue. However, there is an introduction of a 15% weighing content on information technology and ethical issues in taxation. So this is a 15% area that has been added to the material in principles of taxation that you need to know about when it comes to what is going to be covered under the new syllabus. So in the exam hall for principles of taxation, you are likely to have some questions about information technology and ethical issues in taxation, which is going to be ranging between either 5 to 10 marks in the exam hall, depending on the structure of the exam and the goal of the examiner for each examination diet. So principles of taxation also, that is what we are seeing. Everything is the same, just that there is an additional 15% weighing as per the syllabus relating to information technology and ethical issues in taxation. Again, this is going back to another key theme in the syllabus, which is technology, and also the issue about professional skepticism, because it is important that the students understand how to apply technology in taxation and also know how to exercise professional judgment when it comes to providing advice and making recommendations to clients in respect of tax issues. And so that is why this is a crucial aspect that has been introduced in the principles of taxation syllabus to help students have an introduction of these things, because they are going to be increased a little when it comes to advanced taxation in the level 3. But that is what you must understand when it comes to principles of taxation. Now, the next subject that we want to look at is corporate reporting. Largely, corporate reporting is the same thing that you know about. So yes, we're going to have question 1, consolidated financial statement. It's still there. You're going to be having consolidation, dealing with complex group structure issues. So consolidation still valid. Yes, the accounting standards still here. And so really everything that you know in financial reporting is in the corporate reporting syllabus, and that is something that you really have to understand. So all the accounting standards, all the ethics issues, all the conceptual framework, all the consolidation issues that you know in financial reporting, we are just taking that and bringing it to corporate reporting. And so that is why the recommendation is going to be that you make sure you are writing financial reporting as one of your final papers in the level 2 to go to level 3, because this is one thing you must understand. If you write the financial reporting, let's say you are exempted, and so you have 4 papers to write in the level 2. And so you have public sector accounting and finance, financial management, then maybe financial reporting, and then management accounting. Now, if you write, say, financial reporting and public sector, and you come and write management accounting and financial management later, it's okay. But by the time you finish the management accounting and financial management, and now you come to level 3, what is going to happen is that you may struggle a little bit when it comes to the issues in respect of corporate reporting. And so really it will be appropriate for you to write the financial reporting just in the exam diet, so that the following exam diet you are preparing for corporate reporting, then you can take that fresh knowledge, leverage on it, and use it in the level 3. The same thing happens to principles of taxation. If you're not exempted from principles of taxation, then again, everything in the principles of taxation is valid for you in advanced taxation. And so you want to again write it up and then tailor yourself in a manner so that you can then come to level 3 and apply the knowledge there. And so really corporate reporting, we are not seeing any significant changes coming in corporate reporting. Everything you know in corporate reporting is still here. So issues about evaluation of the financial performance and position of the entity still available here. Cash flow analysis, common size analysis, traditional ratio analysis, business valuation, financial reconstruction, and corporate reorganization. All of these things are still there in corporate reporting, but the syllabus introduced some additional materials that we need to know about, like technology, focusing on issues like big data, data analytics, distributed ledger, and blockchain technology. So this is a written aspect that has been added to the syllabus, and also the concept of value creation and value creation process. Then lastly, integrated reporting. All of these are additional theory areas, current issues, current developments that have been included in the corporate reporting syllabus that you have to know about. So everything that has to be in corporate reporting is still in corporate reporting, but now we are having issues about technology, issues about integrated reporting, and issues about value creation that you need to know about. And that is the idea and what you must understand also when it comes to corporate reporting. So maybe you've written corporate reporting under the previous syllabus, but you didn't pass. Can you take that same knowledge to the new syllabus? Yes, you can, because it's the same thing largely 97% of the time. Only about 3% change issue that is coming in, or additional materials that are being added that you must know about. And these are written areas or comment or reading areas that you can really work on. So that's corporate reporting, the same issues, but integrated reporting, technology, and the concept of value creation being included as an additional material you must know about in corporate reporting. So the next thing is advanced audit and assurance. Now, advanced audit and assurance, interestingly, is also having some additional materials coming in. So certainly your previous knowledge, previous understanding is still valid here, but there are some additional issues that we have to know about. Issues like the concept of public accountability, corporate governance principles for governing public sector entities, corporate governance codes, and other governance issues. Because, governance is crucial when it comes to strategic case study, but in the level 3, there is no paper that has any governance content in the previous syllabus. And so now we are having some governance issues that we have to understand in advanced audit and assurance. Then international and national contemporary issues. These are current issues, current developments that are happening in the audit profession, and the various things that have been put in place by countries, regulatory authorities, and other key organizations or international institutions to ensure that there is increase in public confidence in the role of the auditors. And so these are current issues that we have to know about generally. So advanced audit and assurance also, same thing, but there are some additional materials that we need to know about. Then suddenly we come to advanced taxation. Advanced taxation is really going to have a lot of issues here now under the new syllabus. The reason is because a lot of things that are in the level 2 principles of taxation can now be seen in advanced taxation in level 3. And I think the reason for this is because most people are exempted from the principles of taxation in level 2. And so under the old syllabus, the way the syllabus is structured, many students come to the advanced taxation in the level 3 and they don't have a lot of the basics, they don't understand a lot of the issues, and so maybe they've passed the examination, but they did not really study the scope of taxation well. And so now under the new syllabus, you are really going to be studying taxation the way taxation has to be studied in the level 3. And so we're going to be having fiscal policy. It's a key area, 10% as per the syllabus grading. And so issues about public debt, public expenditure, grants, and various issues, fiscal policy. Then taxation of transactions like VAT administration. That is 15% as per the syllabus weighing. Because remember, indirect taxes, VAT administration is a crucial thing that you must understand if you're going to be a tax expert or you're a tax student. And so it is important we understand this, and this is available now in the level 3 advanced taxation. Then there are issues about tax administration. This is specifically also 10% as per the syllabus weighing. And so issues about tax administration, role of GRA, tax assessment system, raising objections, and those tax administration introductory issues in taxation, 10% as per the syllabus weighing, and you have to know about this. Then certainly some current issues, also 10% as per the syllabus weighing, and that is technology, issues in respect of the Africa Continental Free Trade Agreement, digitization in tax administration, and other current issues. And so if you look at the current tax syllabus, we are having 10% on fiscal policy, 15% of VAT administration, 10% on current issues, 10% on tax administration, and this is about 45% of the syllabus, and largely will be referred to as new materials that have been introduced as compared to the previous syllabus of advanced taxation. And any other thing you know about taxation is here in the advanced taxation syllabus. So you're going to be having taxation of individual income, partnership businesses, tax liabilities of companies in various sectors: insurance companies, banking, companies operating in the mining and oil exploration, non-profit making organizations or NGOs, taxation of trust, and various other issues. So really, these are the things you must understand when it comes to advanced taxation as well. So let me know if there are any questions that you have that you want me to share my thought on when it comes to the new syllabus. We are going to be taking some of these later on and really go through the topics and provide you with some materials on our YouTube channel as well as all of our other platforms. So stay connected, but most importantly, you can register to start studying under my mentorship for the examination, and because that gives you access to question kits, ebooks, our live question portal. Most importantly, you are also going to get access to summary videos on key topics in key subjects to help you to prepare well for the examination and pass the exam. Remember, you can download all the videos right in the Nhyira Premium mobile application so that you can study everywhere you are without the need for internet and be able to prepare well for the examination and pass the exam. Remember, you will be held accountable. We provide mentorship to students. What it means is that it is going to be done in class. You are going to be given an opportunity to do it, and you'll be held accountable so that you'll be guided in a manner that you are expected to be guided. So you go to the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.